You'll never throw away empty coffee containers after watching this. When it comes to DIY and upcycling, one person's trash truly is another's treasure trove of possibilities, right? Ready to be inspired? Here's how you can repurpose your coffee canisters and add a flair, functionality, and style to your home. Number 1. Pantry Storage. One of the simplest yet most effective uses for an empty coffee canister is in the pantry. These containers are ideal for storing a variety of goods such as pasta, rice, beans, and all types of baking ingredients like flour and sugar. Thanks to their airtight seal, they effectively keep moisture and pests out, ensuring that your staples remain dry and ready to use. Additionally, the uniform size and shape of coffee canisters make them easy to stack or line up on shelves, maximizing space efficiency. Number 2. Planter Pots. Transforming coffee canisters into planter pots offers a stylish and sustainable way to decorate your home. Perfect for small spaces like windowsills or balcony gardens. They can be used to plant herbs, succulents, or vibrant flowers. Simply drill a few holes in the bottom for drainage, add some potting soil, and plant your seeds or seedlings. The result is a charming, eco-friendly planter that adds a touch of green to any space. Number 3. Craft Supplies Organizer. For those who love arts and crafts, coffee canisters make excellent organizers. They can neatly store crayons, markers, paintbrushes, sewing supplies, you name it. Labeling each canister can further streamline your creative process and reduce the time you spend searching for materials. You can decorate the canisters to reflect the contents or to inspire your creative sessions. It will make your crafting space both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Number 4. Portable First Aid Kit. A coffee canister is perfectly sized to house a first aid kit. Its sturdy structure protects the contents, making it ideal for storing in your car, taking on camping trips, or keeping at home for emergencies. Stock it with bandages, antiseptics, gauze, and other essentials. This ensures you're always prepared for minor injuries while keeping your supplies organized and easily accessible. It's a practical and smart way to repurpose a simple item into something incredibly useful. Number 5. Gift Packaging. Repurposing coffee canisters into gift containers is a creative and eco-friendly way to present your gifts. These canisters are perfect for encapsulating small homemade items like cookies and candies. They offer a unique and personalized touch that off-the-shelf packaging simply can't match. You can adorn the canisters with decorative elements such as fabric, lace, or ribbons and tailor the decoration to the occasion, be it birthdays, holidays, or special anniversaries. This not only enhances the gift's presentation, but also gives the recipient a reusable container, extending the life of your thoughtful gesture and reducing waste. Number 6. Ice Bucket. Hosting a small gathering? Turn a coffee canister into a quaint ice bucket. Make sure it's cleaned thoroughly to avoid any lingering coffee scent, unless a hint of coffee with your beverages sounds appealing. This simple transformation not only serves a practical purpose, but also adds a touch of charm to your event. It's a fantastic way to keep drinks cool while adding a unique and personalized touch to your hosting setup. Number 7. Pet Food Storage. For pet owners, these canisters offer a fantastic solution for storing pet food or treats. Their airtight design keeps food fresh and protects it from pests. You can decorate the containers to blend in with your home decor or label them for convenience. Using these canisters helps maintain portion control for your pets and keeps your feeding area tidy and organized. It's a stylish and practical way to make daily pet care a little easier and a lot more organized. Number 8. Change Jar. A simple yet effective way to save up is by using a coffee canister as a change jar. It's a straightforward solution for collecting loose change, building up savings for a rainy day, or for a special purchase. Plus, it's an easy way to keep those pesky coins in one neat place. Just cut a slit through the lid to drop your coins into. Decorating the jar can make this routine task even more enjoyable, turning a simple container into a personalized savings bank. Number 9. Plastic Bag Dispenser. Repurposing a coffee can into a plastic bag dispenser is an excellent way to reduce kitchen clutter. Start by adding bags linked through the handles until full. Then cut an X in the center of the lid and pull the handles of the top bag out. This setup allows you to store and dispense bags conveniently, making them compact and orderly. It's a practical addition that promotes recycling and reduces waste, aligning with eco-friendly practices. Not only does this help keep your space organized, but it also makes reusing plastic bags simple and accessible. Number 10. Bathroom Organizer. Coffee canisters are excellent for storing bathroom essentials like cotton balls, Q-tips, or makeup brushes. They help keep countertops clean and organized. Customize them to match your bathroom's color scheme or design, enhancing both the functionality and the aesthetics of your bathroom setup. It's a stylish way to ensure that all your small bathroom items are neatly stored and within easy reach, adding a touch of elegance and order to your daily routine. Number 11. Utensil Holders. Smaller coffee cans can be effectively used as utensil holders in the kitchen. Covering them with decorative contact paper or painting them not only helps protect them from kitchen grime, but also makes them easier to clean. This reuse helps in organizing your cooking space while adding a personal touch to your kitchen decor. It's a simple yet creative way to bring some personality to your kitchen and keep your cooking utensils well organized and always at hand. Number 12. Garage or workshop storage. Coffee canisters are fantastic for storing small hardware items like nuts, bolts, and screws in your garage or workshop. Their durability and size make them ideal for organizing these tiny but essential components, ensuring that everything is neatly stored and easily accessible. This helps keep your workspace clutter-free and saves time when you are working on projects, as you won't need to dig through a jumbled drawer to find what you need. It's an efficient solution that can make a big difference in maintaining order in your workspace. Number 13. Mini compost bin. Using a canister as a mini compost bin for kitchen scraps is a clever way to contribute to composting without needing a large outdoor space. You can even add a charcoal filter to help control odors. This small-scale composting solution is ideal for urban dwellers or those looking to reduce their kitchen waste. It's a fantastic, eco-friendly step that not only helps the environment but also enriches your own home garden. Number 14. Decorative plunger holder. Transforming an empty coffee canister into a decorative plunger holder is a clever and stylish way to conceal bathroom essentials. Cover a plastic or metal coffee can with contact paper or paint, and cut a hole in the lid to accommodate the plunger handle. This allows the plunger to be easily accessible while keeping it out of sight when not in use. It's a practical yet chic solution that hides the mundane in plain sight with a touch of style. Number 15. Pre-measured coffee filters. Lastly, if you're a coffee aficionado, using empty containers to store pre-measured coffee filters can streamline your morning routine. This innovative reuse of canisters allows you to prepare your coffee filters ahead of time, filling them with the exact amount of coffee needed for your perfect brew. The containers are ideally sized to keep these prepared filters neatly stacked and ready to use, ensuring a quick, efficient start to your day. If you found these insights helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and spread the word. Your support fuels our passion for uncovering the secrets behind sustainable living and cost-effective tools and methods to save you time and money. Subscribe to discover empowering and cost-effective home and health wisdom that keeps you one step ahead and the envy of your friends and neighbors. Turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.